Hey everyone, this is Isaac and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to make an ink drop effect. Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is separate the subject from our background. Go to the object selection tool and select our subject. Press Command J or Ctrl J on PC to duplicate the layer. Delete the bottom layer and duplicate a new layer again by pressing Command J or Ctrl J. Let's make the top layer invisible first. Grab the bottom layer, go to Filter and select Liquify. Drag our subject across the whole screen. Once we've done that, press OK. Now select that layer and while holding Option or Alt on PC, create a new layer mask. Make our top layer visible again. Then let's import our ink drop. You can find these images on Google. First, let's remove the white from this image. Select the magic wand tool, press delete. Let's line up our subject with our ink drop. Let's duplicate our subject layer again, put it above the ink drop, right click and create clipping mask. Select both subject layers, move them together so that they fit on the ink drop. Our subject now is fully on the ink drop. Hold Shift and select these three layers. Press Command T or Ctrl T on PC and let's center everything. Make the bottom layer invisible for a second, select the middle layer, select the magic wand and select the white part of the screen. Make our bottom layer visible again, grab the eraser tool, start erasing our subject. As you can see, we have the drip effect now. On the most bottom layer, select our mask, grab the brush tool, and here you have Kyle's pattern brushes. Put the size to something bigger. Make sure you have white selected as your color. You can start drawing behind your subject. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials. And if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.